Hi guys and gals. As I was recording this video, my iPad overheated. So now I'm in the corner in some shade. Well, my iPad's in the shade. Let's just hope I don't get hit by the door. Anyways, what are we doing? We're connecting standard algorithm with expanded algorithm. So I'm going to show you both methods, okay? Now, I'm going to do the same problem twice so you can see what it looks like in expanded, what it looks like in standard, okay? So the first one we're going to do is 117 times 3, 117. Now, if we're going to do expanded, I'm going to show it in two different ways. So this is 100, 10, and 7, and we're going to do them each times 3. So 100 times 3, you should be able to mental math that. 100 times 3 is 300. 10 times 3 is 30. And 7 times 3 is 21. Those are your partial products. What do you do with partial products to get your full answer? You put them together. So we have 300 plus 30 plus 21, 351 is your answer to this, okay? That's expanded. You might also see it with an array. So 100, 17, 117. 117, how many times? 3. 117 3 times. So put this into our partial products. 21, 30, and 300. It's the same thing that we did for our other one. 21, 30, and 300. Your answer is 351. It's the same answer because it's the same problem. We just solved it in a different method. Okay? Now the last method that we're going to solve it with is standard algorithm. Standard algorithm is just the fancy, it's really hot out here. Standard algorithm is just the fancy way of saying like this is how I do my normal multiplication. If I were to be doing like a project at my house or something and I was getting, let's just say a new table that was $117 and I was going to get 3 of them, this is how I would solve it. And I didn't have a calculator. Well, you probably have a calculator, but it's still important to know how to do this. Okay, first of all, this is how you set it up. You put your bigger number on top, your smaller number on bottom. You line up the ones place with the ones place, okay? Now this is multi-step, but the steps repeat. So step 1, 3 times 7, okay? 3 times 7, you should know your math facts. If you're still struggling to get these math facts, you need to practice. Hit the button is a fun game to practice with. So 3 times 7, 21. You drop your 1 and you carry your 2. Just like in addition, you do the same thing for multiplication. Step 2, 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 4, 5. Last, 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3, 351. So those were 3 different methods for the same problem, okay? I'm going to show you another expanded, and then I'm going to show you it again in standard, okay? So the expanded, let's do 224 times 5. 224 times 5. Now, expanded is when I just break it apart. So 220 and 4. And what am I going to do each of those? Times 5. So 200 times 5 is 1,000. 20 times 5 is 100. And 4 times 5 is 20. These are my partial products. I put them all together. 1,000 plus 100 plus 20. My total is 1,120. 20. That's my total answer. Okay, that's your expanded method. Now I'm going to do 224 times 5 in standard algorithm. So do this one with me. 224 times 5. 224 times 5. Get this written in your math journal. Okay. Step 1, 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. You put your 0 and you carry up your 2. Why? Because the 2 goes into the tens place. It doesn't stay in the ones place. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 more is 12. So you put your 2 and you carry your 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 1,120. It's the same answer, just solving it in a different method. Okay? Standard algorithm is pretty much what we're going to be doing from now on. Hopefully you saw the connection between expanded, arrays, and standard algorithm. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!